Hi, I'm Morgan, here to talk about what's new in SurveyMonkey. This month, it's all about making analysis easier for you. First up, we've made qualitative research feel effortless with AI summaries of your open-ended feedback. Think of it like a TLDR of what your audience is saying and why. For example, a summary of open-ended webinar feedback won't just tell you your responses were positive. It'll pinpoint specific insights, like what exactly people loved about the session topics. These instant summaries are the fastest way to understand your key takeaways, so you can jump straight into acting on what you've learned. Next, we gave your quantitative data a makeover. Closed-ended questions like multiple choice, NPS, and star rating now feature more modern and sleeker charts. We've cleaned up visual clutter and chart labels, so your survey results look great on any device, including exports. We even updated the default visualization for matrix questions to stacked bar charts, which is much easier for comparing data at a glance. Finally, let's talk big picture trends. Our new line and area charts support longitudinal analysis, so you can track weighted averages and metrics like NPS over time. Instead of a snapshot of a single moment, you can tell a clear story about growth and see exactly what's trending. It's a game changer for those always-on and repeat surveys where you want to see continuous progress. There's a lot more in the works for analysis and beyond. Tune in next time.